Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the theme in the Emag app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the Emag app. On the bottom you have to tap on the last option, the profile icon. Then you scroll down and here you will have the theme. Just tap on the aspect of the screen. You can select a dark mode. If you tap on it, then you selected that. If you would like to change, then go back and tap on light mode, and you changed it back. That's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one.